Oh yeah, I'm down to 2 fingers on that side. 1, 2. Nope, 3. I got 3 fingers over there. Not the right amount of fingers you want, but it's the amount we got. So we gonna make it work. Welcome back to Bed 10, y'all. It is 4:30 in the afternoon on Friday. Plans changed about 3 times today. We're working on plan number 3, maybe our farm. Heck, I don't know. I've just cut beans today on my place. I only got like 22 acres of double crop beans. So we finished full season beans yesterday afternoon. Hauled them off today. We're on double crop beans now. So we're working on getting my double crop beans cut today. The plan originally was to take them to town, and they had a breakdown at the grader today. Their baggers decided not to work today. So they are working on getting it fixed right now. We were able to get the semi unloaded because it was full of full season beans. And then it broke actually after I was good enough. The semi broke between me and him. I had about 2 trucks between me and him. I just had to sit there for a while. I don't know, I was there for 3 hours. So it ain't no big deal. They got me unloaded. They're going to try to get the bagger fixed today. Maybe we'll call and check on bars as everybody used to do. If they don't, we'll make up beans, maybe put them in a grain bin. We'll make up distance on them. Heck, we're farmers. We got a lot of this things up, so we'll figure out something to do tomorrow. Plans right now, we're going to fill up the dump truck, then go from there. May fill up the second dump truck or may fill up a semi. Don't really know. First thing we're going to fill up the dump truck. We'll put stuff in the barn tonight. If they can't take beans tomorrow, we're put it in the grain bin. If they can't take beans tomorrow, we'll take it to the barn. That's kind of where we're at. I'm getting out of here, out of this hole back here, back to the front. We got all everything up in front of the farm. And we will try to get some beans cut stuff there. Field here. Well, I can't see for the sun, but I think there's 5 acres here. There's 5 acres here. I don't know. I mean, it's a small field here. If it's been knocked out, we're done for now. May move the combine depending on what time it is. It's 5 o'clock. We may get something moved if everything goes good, and go from there. There and watch dogs run for a minute, and then we get the farm done. Get ready to move next one. Welcome back to Bed 10, folks. That's right, we are rolling on some wheat beans. Been at it for a little bit, been, you know, wheat bean cutting. Nothing too crazy. Been running pretty steady. I bet I got some broke fingers on this side where I got this little mound at. That's what that deal is. So, let's see. Oh yeah, I'm down to 2 fingers on that side. 1, 2. Nope, 3. I got 3 fingers over there. Not the right amount of fingers you want, but it's the amount we got. So we gonna make it work. I only got this little old dab back here left, and then we'll move on to the next. Wheat beans are doing, they're doing pretty good. Deer's bait on these some, which is to be expected in small fields like this. Deer's love in small fields, especially when you got woods and some woods, some more woods back there, you know. We're just tooling right along. Oh yeah, you can see them build up right there. It's not feeding good on this left-hand side. But the big lump of dust is right here. Getting a wad of beans there that's not feeding in right. But we are on the back side of the farm, so we're not going to run out to the front and get parts. We'll just keep on running. Come out of dust, you'll see that wad of beans sitting there. So there they are. They ain't really want to feed in. Too many fingers gone. We pick some rocks up, but it happens. Picking rocks up is part of cutting beans. And these wheat beans, we are trying to run a different angle. So I'm running this southeast northwest angle, and when we cut the wheat off this field, we run a southwest northeast angle. Just trying to get our fodder to spread out in a different area. You know, it helps move our compaction over to a different spot. You know, you pretty much run the same tracks all the time when you're planting. Well, whether or not we're planting beans or corn, we're running the same tracks, and when you're cutting corn, you're running the same tracks. So when we do small grains like wheat or soybeans, we try to run at a different angle just to move stuff around. Get kind of a different approach on it. If we get this a little bit done, we can move on to another farm. I don't know if we'll move tonight or not. It's getting kind of late. The sun's getting a little low over on that side of the sky. I say it's getting kind of late. It ain't for 5:30. Well, this time next week it'll be 6:30. Time change, you know. Whatever. So just pick a time and stick with it. That's what I say. When we got a jam. Need some peanut butter to go with that jam. There we go. do 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 do. Swing back around. Get the head down on the ground and hammer on some soybean. Do 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 do. We might should have just put everything in the semi.
That's what I was thinking, Hank. We got a order. We can swap it over to the semi if we need to.
Yeah, we can. Is this the second dump in there?
This is two here. I'm going to put that in semi. You think you can hold the rest of it?
Yeah, I should be able to hold the rest of it, yeah. No, we shouldn't have put it in the semi because the dump truck's got two. There's two here, and we still got more left, so the semi wouldn't hold everything.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. We had one over here, so we need to not maybe we'll put it down and put it in the semi. Your truck's empty right now. Yeah, we can get it going if they can put it in the barn for a night.
Yeah, we can do that. We can just drop the we can just drop the header cart up there at the field or up there at the barn too.
The best thing is always drop it over our barn, not worry about nothing. Then we know what we need to do tomorrow.
Yeah, I mean, if they can't hold nothing, we can still cut a dump truck load and a grain cart load.
Exactly, we're going to get started and cut some tomorrow, and then we'll go do something else. Hunter's going to call at 8 in the morning. He would know if they run it. I'm going to the house.
10-4. So, that little conversation me and Jesse was having there. Everybody's full of beans. Everybody's full of everything. Everybody. Where most of the beans go, from here they go down into North Alabama. They get down on the river. The couple of mills down there that actually make soybean meal, and like processed beans down there, they are full. So they're only taking what they can grind or process in a day, which is I'm not sure how much they can process in a day. And then with it being dry, technically they announced yesterday we're in a drought area, which duh, it ain't rained about to nothing in 60 days, I guess. It's rained a little bit, but when I say it's rained, it's really just misted all day, looking like a weird mist. Not enough to amount to nothing, but you know, every little drop is much appreciated. So then you have the river down there. Tennessee River is low. So is the River Authority over shipping? I'm not sure. Whoever's over shipping is not letting them load up the barges as heavy because they're afraid they'll run aground. That being said, it costs the same to ship a half full barge as it does a full barge. So the people down there aren't wanting to put stuff on the river. They're waiting. I mean, you understand, you don't want to ship half the amount of product and it costs you the same amount. But it'll rain one day, so our granary's kind of full. Our local granary, our bins are full. They've been bagging, but they had a little trouble with their bagger today, or this evening. I had a little bit of trouble with it. They may or may not have it fixed in the morning. So we're gonna call them in the morning and see if they're got it fixed. If they do, we will haul what's in the trucks down there. If they don't have it fixed, we will have to, well, we're gonna move. So if they don't have it fixed, what we'll do is we'll end up cutting a grain cart full and one dump truck full, because that's what we got empty right now. And then just do whatever we can do. Well, there's plenty of stuff other to do on the farm besides just cut beans. And I mean, We are in the short runs on beans now. We're on a downhill slope. We're over halfway done with beans. I mean, we probably only have a quarter of our beans left to cut. We're all in all wheat beans now. We got all the full season stuff cut. We're into wheat beans. We're about done with this farm. We got just a little old dab up here to do. Get this spot done, we're gonna go drop the head, move the combine, and then, I mean, like I got parts I can put on the head that I haven't put on the head yet, and I got a whole poly kit for the bottom, haven't put it on there yet. Got a brand new poly kit since we jumped straight into beans. Told Jesse, I was like, oh man, it'll rain. One of them rainy days we can put that poly kit on, but so look at here. Here's the last of the wheat beans on this farm. That little dab, got a little dab through the clouds here. And boom. That's it. Wheat beans on this farm is done. So we're gonna cruise on out. Let the head run a minute, get the last of the stragglers out of it. It looks like I got, yeah, I'm down to just 3 fingers on this this left hand side. That problem is going to need to be addressed before we continue to cut beans and make the head feed better. As you can see, I need to get caught up on my bush hogging. Need to most definitely do some bush hogging. We got this field up here cut. We got this field to our right. Them wheat beans cut first thing. Yeah, we'll put some fingers in this head. This head's easier to put fingers in when you have it off the head. When you have the head off the intake. So let's get all the crops on this farm done. Had the corn cut for a while over here. Got the beans done. 2 more farms to go. Oh, if y'all noticed from up there, I'm wearing a pair of gloves. So the whole time before I've done this, you know, I just get out, get a rag, get whatever, the rest of these old hot lines, put them back together. You know, we went and helped Matt and Kelly Griggs last year, and old Matt, he got out to hook up a thing like this. He put a pair of these old gloves on. I was like, that's a great idea, you know, keeps your hands clean. You ain't got to worry about touching hot hoses. So, there's your pro tip for today, folks. Get a pair of these old gloves when you're hooking and unhooking the head. They work great. There we go. Like a glove. Big old fat glove.